Students, Moseley's experiment. Again, we are discussing about this Moseley's experiment because this experiment leads to proposal of modern periodic law. Please observe here. Why again we are discussing about Moseley's experiment means this experiment leads to proposal of modern periodic law. Already we know cathode rays are passed towards different metal anti-cathode, which is the metal which is kept opposite to cathode is called as anti-cathode. Okay, this experiment was conducted in discharge tube. Once again, cathode rays are passed towards different metal anti-cathodes in discharge tube. After hitting these cathode rays toward on the surface of the anti-cathode, on the surface of the metal anti-cathode, X-rays with different frequencies are produced depending upon the nature of the metal. If the metal changes, the frequency also changes. So, basing on this experiment, atomic number as the fundamental quantity of the element is confirmed. Atomic number is the fundamental quantity of the element. Atomic number as a fundamental quantity of the element, this is confirmed. Already we know nu is equal to A into Z minus B, nu is equal to frequency of X-rays, Z is equal to atomic number, A and B are constants. Here this OA represents intercept point, that is equal to AB. AB is equal to intercept. Already we know that one. Once again revise. What is the importance of this Moseley's experiment means this leads to proposal of modern periodic law. That's why again we are discussing about it. Next one, modern periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Once again listen. The physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. This is the law originally first proposed. Later on, it was changed as electronic configurations. The physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their electronic configuration. This is the reason. So, replacing atomic numbers with electronic configuration is most accurate. That's why they changed. So, here Bohr constructed a convenient table for us, and he arranged elements in the order of their electronic configuration. So, the modern periodic table was constructed by Bohr. This is called as Bohr's table or long form periodic table. This is called as Bohr's table or long form periodic table. This long form periodic table contains 7 horizontal rows called as periods. 7 horizontal rows called as periods, and 18 vertical columns which are called as chemical families or groups. Those 18 vertical columns are called as chemical families or groups. The elements with similar outermost electronic configuration are present in the same group. Please observe this point. The elements with similar outermost electronic configuration are present in the same groups. So here lanthanides and actinides are kept separately. Here lanthanides belongs to 6th period and actinides belongs to 7th period. Total number of lanthanides is equal to 14, number of actinides also 14. These lanthanides and actinides are kept separately below the table. Okay. Next, long form periodic table already we discussed. It contains 7 horizontal rows called as periods, 18 vertical columns called as chemical families or groups. Actually, the long form periodic table is a graphical representation of above principle. Please underline this point. This is a graphical representation of above principle. Okay. These 7 periods corresponds to principal quantum numbers. These 7 periods corresponds to principal quantum numbers. Each period starts with alkali metal and ends with noble gas. Each period starts with alkali metal and ends with noble gas. Here this is a table in which The sub-levels filled in periods. Suppose if we consider first period, 1s sub-energy level is filled. In the second period, 2s and 2p energy levels are filling. In the third period, 3s and 3p energy levels are filling. In the fourth period, 4s, 3d, 4p sub-energy levels are filling. In the fifth period, 5s, 4d, 5p sub-energy levels are filling. In the sixth period, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p sub-energy levels are filling. In the seventh period, 7s, 5f, 6d, 7p sub-energy levels are filling. So this represents the period, this represents the sub-energy levels in which electrons are joining. Okay. Next one, number of elements present in different periods. In the first period, only 2 elements are there. So this is called as the shortest period. In the second period, number of elements is 8. So this is called as short period only. Third period, number of elements 8. This is also called as a short period. In the fourth and fifth periods, 18 elements are there. So these fourth and fifth periods are called as normal elements. In the sixth period, 32 elements are there. These 32 elements includes lanthanides. Please understand. This is sixth period contains 32 elements which includes lanthanides, that is called as longest period. Seventh period includes actinides. So it is almost 32 elements. Maybe some 1 or 2 elements need to be invented. So this is also called as longest. In some cases, in some books they have given as incomplete because 32 elements need to be filled. Okay, this is the period number of elements and designation. Please once again observe this. This one sublevels. This is important for us to discuss in the next properties which are coming. Okay, take care. Next topic is nomenclature of elements. Nomenclature of elements according to IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. According to IUPAC notation for naming elements with atomic number greater than 100, we can follow this system. This atomic number is greater than 100. Suppose let us consider digit first. For 0, nil, the abbreviation is N. For digit 1, the name is UN, abbreviation is U. For digit 2, the name is by, abbreviation you can use B. For digit 3, name tri, abbreviation is T. For digit 4, name quad, abbreviation is Q. For digit 5, name is pent, abbreviation is P. For digit 6, name is hex, abbreviation is H. For digit 7, name sept, abbreviation is S. For digit 8, name is oct, abbreviation is 0, O. For digit 9, name N, abbreviation is E. So we can use the name and respective abbreviation for the following digits. Here we should focus on one point. The roots are put together in order of digits which make up atomic number, and IUM is added at the end. So all these roots are put together according to digits. For example, if Z is equal to 101, the root name we can write for 1, we can write UN. For nil, for 0, that is nil. For again 1, it represents 1. So 1, nil, 1, IUM. IUM, we should write IUM at the end of the element. Once again, it is 101. For 1, 1. For 0, nil. Again for 1, 1. At the end, IUM. The symbol is for 1, U. For nil, N. Again for 1, U. So UNU. So this is the method we can follow according to IUPAC for the naming of elements which are greater than 100. Next one, IUPAC nomenclature of heavy elements. So this is atomic number, this is root name of element, this is symbol of element, this is official name of element, the last one is official symbol. So let us consider atomic number 101. Un nil unium, un nil unium, symbol UNU, mendelevium MD. Once again, 101, un nil unium, UNU, mendelevium MD. Next one, 102, un nil bium. Once again, 102, un nil bium, UNB, nobelium NO, nobelium NO. Next one, 103, un nil trium, un nil trium, UNT, Lawrencium LR, Lawrencium LR. 104, un nil quatrium, UNQ, Rutherfordium RF. Once again, 104, un nil quatrium, UNQ, Rutherfordium RF. 105, un nil pentium, UNP, Dubnium DB. Once again, un nil pentium, UNP, Dubnium DB. Next one, 106, un nil hexium, un nil hexium, UNH, Seaborgium SG, Seaborgium SG. 107, un nil septium, UNS, Borium BH, Borium BH. Next, 108, un nil octium, UNO, Hafnium HS, Hafnium HS. Next one, 109, un nil ennium, UNE, meitnerium MD. Next one, 110, un nilium, UUN, Darmstadtium DS. Next, atomic number 11, unium, symbol UUU, official name Rontgenium, official symbol RG. Next one, atomic number 112, bium, UUB, official name Copernicium, CN is the official symbol. Next one, 113, trium, UUD, Nihonium NH. Next one, 114, quatrium, UUQ, Flerovium FL. Next one, 115, pentium, UUP, Moscovium MC. UUP, Moscovium MC. Next one, 116, hexium, UUH, Livermorium LV is the symbol, official symbol. 117, septium, UUS, Tennessine TS. 118, octium, UUO, okay, Oganesson OG. 119, ennium, UUD, officially not confirmed the name and symbol. 120, binilium, UBN.